Swirling tones, rich greens to near blacks, and lush ancient forest. Malachite. A beautiful stone with an intense green color. Malachite probably derives its names from either Greek male, meaning grass for its green color, or Greek malachos, meaning soft, because the stone lends itself well to being carved. It has long been revered for its color and texture and prized as a decorative stone. A timeless gem, it has been used for centuries for carvings and jewelry, painting, and its copper. A copper carbonate hydroxide mineral, malachite owes its beautiful green color to its copper content. The mineral precipitates out of water in layers and swirls, making each stone a unique work of art. And malachite has a close history with art. Its coppery greens are so striking that humans have used it throughout the centuries to create art. The stone can be ground into powder and mixed with fixatives to create green paint. This green pigment played a large role in Renaissance paintings. It is believed that parts of the Sistine Chapel may have been painted with malachite pigments created by Michelangelo. There's evidence of malachite being mined as far back as 4,000 years ago in the Isthmus of Suez and the Sinai. The ancient Egyptians used malachite in rituals and as eye makeup. Cleopatra was buried with a malachite coal pot of cosmetics to be used in the afterlife. Because of its association with new life and growth, the Egyptians referred to the field of malachite as a place without pain, suffering, and sadness. In ancient Rome, malachite was associated with the goddess Juno and was called the peacock stone. A little-known Roman legend claims if you drink from a bowl or a cup made of malachite, it'll help you understand the speech of animals. Today, the most common source of malachite entering the lapidary market is from deposits in the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Smaller amounts are produced in Australia, France, and the US. Supplies that were historically available in the Ural Mountains are mostly gone. The most famous use of malachite can be found in St. Petersburg, Russia, where architect Alexander Bryulov designed the malachite room of the Winter Palace for use as a formal reception room for the Empress Alexandra Fyodorovna, wife of Nicholas I. Featuring a large ornate vase, columns, furniture, and walls, all made from malachite. A very soft stone, malachite measures a 3.5 to 4 on Mohs scale of hardness. Because it is so soft, be careful how you design with it. The constant wear of bracelets and rings can dull the surface. Be careful how you clean it, too. It really doesn't like to be exposed to chemicals or heat, so clean water is the best method of cleaning. Also, be careful not to keep it loose in your jewelry box where metal and other stones can scratch it. Often used to create classic pieces, malachite pairs well with gold. It also goes well with the warm gleam of copper and the cool shine of silver. For a more boho look, use malachite with fiber, leather, or wood. At Fire Mountain Gems and Beads, we have a wide selection of malachite beads, focals, and cabochons, as well as everything else to go with them. Create your own paradise in green with malachite gemstones from FireMountainGems.com. Happy beading!